Did you know there are over 45,000 types of spiders in the world? Yes, it's true. Spiders, our eight-legged friends, are part of a larger group of animals known as arachnids. They come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny patudigua, barely visible to the naked eye, to the Goliath bird-eater, whose leg span can reach nearly a foot. Talk about diversity. These remarkable creatures have made homes in every corner of our planet. From the highest mountain peaks to the deepest ocean floors, from scorching deserts to chilly Arctic tundra, spiders have adapted to thrive in almost every environment imaginable. Some spiders spin intricate webs to catch their prey, while others prefer a more hands-on approach, hunting down their meals with speed and precision. They're fascinating, aren't they? So, next time you see a spider, remember, it could be just one of the 45,000 types out there. Now, we can't meet all 45,000 spiders today, but we can certainly meet a few of them. First up, let's meet the black widow. Famous for its shiny black body and red hourglass marking, the black widow is a sight to behold. They're usually found in warmer regions, and they like to hang out in dark, secluded spots. But don't be fooled by their tiny size, because their venom is much stronger than a rattlesnake's. Don't worry though, they're not usually aggressive unless they feel threatened. Next, say hello to the tarantula. These furry giants are known for their size, with some species reaching a whopping 12 inches in leg span. They're found all over the world, from the rainforests of South America to the deserts of Africa. Tarantulas are famous for their hair-flinging defense mechanism. When they feel threatened, they can fling tiny, irritating hairs at their predators. Imagine throwing your hair at someone when you're scared. Last but not least, let's meet the jumping spider. At first glance, they may not seem as impressive as the black widow or tarantula, but don't underestimate them. These little critters can jump up to 50 times their body length. They're like the superheroes of the spider world. They also have incredible vision, with 4 big eyes that can see in almost all directions. You'll usually find them in grassy habitats, hunting for their next meal. These are just a few examples of the incredible diversity of spiders. From the deadly venom of the black widow, to the acrobatic skills of the jumping spider, each species has its unique features and behaviors. And while they may seem scary to some, they play an essential role in our ecosystems, helping to control pests and recycle nutrients back into the soil. So, aren't these spiders fascinating? But remember, while they're interesting to learn about, it's best to admire them from a distance. Did you know that spiders have superpowers? Well, sort of. In the world of eight-legged critters, spiders show off some incredible abilities, which we might as well call their superpowers. Let's delve into the fascinating world of spider superpowers, shall we? First in their arsenal of superpowers is the ability to spin webs. But it's not just any web. These silk structures are about 5 times stronger than steel of the same width. Imagine that. Spider-Man's web-slinging skills are pretty much spot on. Some spiders, like the golden orb weaver, spin colossal webs that can span rivers, while others, like the bolus spider, create single strands of silk with sticky globules to catch their prey. Next up is their venom, which is more of a superweapon than a superpower. Most spiders use venom to immobilize or kill their prey, but don't worry, most of these venoms are harmless to humans. The venom of a few, however, like the black widow and the brown recluse, can be quite harmful, so it's best to admire these creatures from a distance. Now let's talk about their remarkable hunting techniques. Some spiders, like the jumping spider, can leap up to 50 times their body length to pounce on unsuspecting prey. Others, like the trapdoor spider, dig burrows and create a lid or trap door to ambush their prey. Then there are the crafty ones like the Portia spider, who use their intelligence to outwit their prey, even other spiders. And let's not forget the camouflage skills of some spiders. The wraparound spider, for instance, can flatten and wrap its body around a twig to become virtually invisible. That's like having an invisibility cloak. So whether it's spinning super strong webs, injecting venom, hunting with precision, or camouflaging perfectly, spiders have a diverse range of skills that make them unique in the animal kingdom. With these superpowers, spiders are truly one of nature's superheroes. From tiny eggs to creepy crawlies, let's explore the life cycle of a spider. Our eight-legged friends embark on a fascinating journey as they grow. A journey that begins even before they are hatched. Spider moms lay their eggs wrapped in a silken sac for protection. This sac can contain hundreds, even thousands of eggs, depending on the species. Now that's a lot of potential baby spiders. After a while, these eggs hatch into what we call spiderlings. Yes, you heard it right, spiderlings. These tiny creatures look like mini versions of adult spiders, but don't let their small size fool you. They're ready to take on the world, or at least their immediate surroundings. In order to grow, spiderlings face the challenge of molting. This is a process where they shed their old, tight exoskeleton so they can grow a new, larger one. It's like outgrowing your favorite pair of shoes and needing a new pair. But for spiders, it's their entire body. Some spiders might molt many times before they reach adulthood, and others only a few. Now here's where things get interesting. Not all spiders follow the same life cycle. For instance, some spiders like the black widow have a much shorter lifespan, living only for a year or two. On the other hand, the female tarantula can live up to 25 years. That's older than some of your favorite pets. Once they reach adulthood, spiders typically have one goal: to reproduce and start the cycle all over again. Some adult spiders may even continue to grow and molt throughout their life. It's a constant cycle of growth and renewal, which is what makes the life of a spider so intriguing. So, the next time you see a spider scuttling across your path, remember the incredible journey it's been through. From a tiny egg to a growing spiderling, and finally to an adult spider, each stage of its life is a testament to the marvels of nature. So that's the journey of a spider, from a tiny egg to a full-grown creature. You might be wondering, are spiders our friends or foes? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of spiders and us. Spiders, believe it or not, are some of the world's greatest pest controllers. That's right. They gobble up insects that we humans find annoying, like flies, mosquitoes, and even roaches. In fact, it's estimated that spiders munch on hundreds of millions of tons of bugs each year. Now that's a lot of pest control. But their role doesn't stop there. Spiders are a vital part of many ecosystems. They serve as food for birds, reptiles, and other creatures. Without spiders, our world would look very different, and not in a good way. Spiders also contribute to science and medicine. Did you know that spider venom is used in research for treatments of diseases like Alzheimer's and stroke? And spider silk? It's one of the strongest materials in nature. Scientists are studying it to create super strong materials. Imagine a bridge made from spider silk. How cool would that be? Despite these benefits, it's understandable if you still feel a bit uneasy around our eight-legged friends. And that's okay. Spiders, like all creatures, deserve respect and space. They don't want to harm us. Most spiders are harmless and prefer to keep to themselves. But some can bite when they feel threatened, just like how a cat might scratch if frightened. So, it's important to observe spiders from a safe distance, and always remember, if you see a spider and aren't sure what to do, ask an adult for help. They can ensure the spider is safely moved without anyone, including the spider, getting hurt. So, spiders are more of our friends than foes, but remember, always respect their space, and never touch a spider without an adult's permission. Spiders are amazing creatures that play a big role in keeping our world balanced. So the next time you see a spider, instead of screaming, maybe give it a silent thank you for all the hard work it does. Now that we've learned so much about spiders, it's time for a quick quiz. Let's see how much you remember. Question 1. Can you name one superpower that spiders possess? Is it flying, invisibility, or spinning webs? That's right. Spiders can spin webs, which they use for catching prey. Moving on to question 2. What are baby spiders called? Are they called cubs, kittens, or spiderlings? You got it. Baby spiders are indeed called spiderlings. And now for our final question, question 3. What is the name of the process by which spiders grow? Is it molting, hibernation, or metamorphosis? Correct again. Spiders grow by a process called molting. Well done, everyone. You've shown that you're true spider experts. Great job on the quiz. Don't forget to subscribe to GURUKIDZ Smart Kids channel for more fun learning videos like this one. See you next time, smart kids.